Hi art friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Emma. And today we are going to draw Magic of Pumpkin Mokoko. Let's get started. We'll first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start by drawing a curved line. And let's draw an oval shape. Within this oval, let's draw a smaller oval and draw a smaller circle within the oval for the highlight. Then we can shade in the rest of the eye. And now let's draw this point across over here and draw the right eye, and we're gonna make sure that the two eyes are similar in size. There, and we are going to add some lashes on the side. There, and now let's draw the nose. So we're going to use red, and in between the two eyes I'm going to draw a tiny heart shape. And now let's draw the mouth. So I'm going to start from here, draw a curved line that goes down, then slowly goes back up. To draw the teeth, we are going to first start by drawing 2 teeth in the middle, and followed by 4 on the right, and 3 on the left. There, and now let's frame the face. So we're going to start by here by drawing a curved line that goes up and round it off, coming down close to the teeth, and draw this curve across the face. On the other side, let's draw a similar curve that comes down, and let's connect the 2 points. And we are going to draw the outside layer of the head by following the same curve. There, and we are not gonna close this part yet because I'm going to draw the witch head. So I'm going to start from maybe around here, give myself a point, and then from there draw a curved line that goes down and across to the top. So let's do that. And this curve should round off around here and comes back down. From there, let's round it off and draw a curved line that comes back to the head around here, like right across, a little bit to the right, to the right hand side of the nose. And now let's draw a curve. I am gonna draw a baby line to show the texture of the head. And from here, let's draw another curve. this head bends here, and let's connect it to the top. There. And now let's draw some decorations for the head. So I'm going to draw a flower right in the middle. There. And the line, I'll draw it across, behind the flower, and the cross connect to the head. And I'm going to draw another curve that bends up and comes back down. Another curve that's parallel to the curve that we just drew. And one more that comes down from here and connect to this point right there. Okay, so now we can close off the opening part. So I'm going to draw a curve that comes here and connecting to the outside of the head, and we are going to connect this little gap right there. So now we have the top part of this drawing, and now let's draw the bottom half. So I'm going to start by drawing the left arm going out this way. And I'm just gonna make sure that the right hand side looks symmetrical. So I'm going to draw another angle line that comes out that way. And now I'm going to add a wavy line there. And the hand actually comes out from here. So I'm going to draw 3 fingers. And let's draw this point across so we know that where the hand will come out. And let's draw a wavy line and the 3 fingers. Now let's draw the dress. So from here, I'm going to draw a wavy line that comes down. Same on the other side. And in the middle, we are going to add 2 more wavy lines. And in the middle right here, let's draw a circle and shade it in black. I'm going to draw these 2 lines down. And now from here, let's draw a small rectangle. So let's draw the bow, and I'm going to shade it in black. And now from this point, I'm going to draw a curved line that goes up. So this is the bow. And I'm going to draw this point here. This point here. And another point right there. Okay, so now let's draw the dress. I'm going to draw this curve very close to the hands, and then let's connect them there. So this is the dress that goes out that way, and then from here, similarly, another line that comes out, and let's connect. Let's finish this arm right here. And I'm going to draw a big curve that connects the bottom. let's add some wavy lines at the bottom of the dress. Now let's draw the legs. So from here, 2 angle lines that comes out from the bottom that is slanted towards the center, and 2 more short lines that comes out from the center. So that's her leg, and draw a wavy line that connects the bottom of her legs. And finally, let's just add 3 toes to show her feet. There. And now we are ready to color. So I'm going to fast forward this part, but feel free to pause if you need more time. And that is how to draw Magic of Pumpkin Mokoko. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. Please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel for more weekly uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.